Now let's talk about liver 4, Zhongfeng middle seal, which is a Jing-River point. Liver 4 is located 1 chun anterior to the prominence of the medial malleolus, medial to the tendon of the tibialis anterior muscle. How to find? Even with slight dorsiflexion of the ankle, the tendon of the tibialis anterior muscle will become more pronounced on the medial aspect of the ankle. Liver 4 is located between the tendon and the prominence of the medial malleolus in a depression over the palpable joint space. Stomach 41 is also located over the joint space on the midpoint of its anterior aspect. Spleen 5 lies only slightly distal to liver 4 at the junction of a vertical line along the anterior border and a horizontal line along the lower border of the medial malleolus. Needling vertically 0.3 to 0.5 chun. Actions, indications, opens the channel, promotes the flow of liver qi, regulates the lower burner. Special features, Jing-River point, metal point. Liver 4 is mostly used to promote the smooth flow of liver qi in the lower burner, and more specifically in the genital and urinary region. It is thus used for urinary symptoms with a feeling of distension in the hypogastrium, deriving from stagnation of liver qi. It also resolves dampness and treats hernial and genitourinary disorders in a similar way to liver 1 and liver 3. Liver 4 promotes the smooth flow of liver qi in the lower burner, so it's good for hypogastric and abdominal distension, umbilical pain. Resolves dampness in the genitourinary system, so for pain and reaction of genitals, hernial and genitourinary disorders, difficult urination, painful urination, turbid urine, retention of urine, swelling of lower abdomen. Liver 4 is the Jing-River point of the liver channel. Like liver 1, its main action is to regulate qi in the lower jiao portion of the liver channel, specifically the genitals, the urinary system, and the region around and below the umbilicus. In the genital region, liver 4 is indicated for hypogastric pain, pain and retraction of the genitals, and sham disorder due to stagnation of liver qi. Traumatic injury or penetration of cold into the liver channel. It is also indicated for various kinds of seminal emission. The liver is entrusted with the ministerial fire, and the liver channel dominates the genitals. Sexual desire, therefore, is a manifestation of the fire of both the kidneys and the liver. The circulatory function in men is dominated by the free flow of liver qi, in the same way that it dominates the regularity of the menstrual cycle in women. Heat due to liver fire, damp heat in the liver channel, or liver and kidney yin deficiency may agitate and disturb the gate of essence, leading to seminal emission. Liver 4 is primarily indicated for seminal emission due to heat, but owing to its regulatory action on the genital region, may be used in all patterns. Thus, the classic of supplementing life recommended it for seminal emission with dreams, indicative of heat, whilst Sun Si Miao in the 1,000 Ducat formulas recommended it for seminal emission due to deficiency taxation. As a Jing-River point, it is indicated for alternating chills and fever and for clearing damp heat. Although Jing-River points are indicated in Nanjing 68 for dyspnea, cough, colds, chills, and fevers, indicating that the lungs have been invaded by wind, cold, or heat, or when illness has caused a change in the voice, liver 4 is not much used for this purpose. It would be more likely to be used when stagnation of liver qi has led to stagnation of qi in the chest, causing the person to sigh, or for constriction in the throat. The primary liver meridian spreads in the lung and can be used for stagnation of qi and oppression in the chest. Metal point, Jing-River antique late summer point. Point used in the husband-wife treatment protocol. Consider this point if a person is lacking in self-confidence or a sense of their own identity. It brings quality to the liver official for pain and swelling in the ankles and feet, muscular wastage, or paralysis. It can be effective for impotence or pain in the genital area. In spiritual terms, the Hun is said to come from and return to the ancestral realms and is kept in place and earthed by the Po, the spirit of the lungs, which itself returns to the earth upon death.